What is Shopify? Shopify is a complete commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage a business. Our expertise and leaderships in commerce comes from the experience of millions of merchants on our platforms. Their success allows us to forecast and build the right features to not only power commerce today but to help shape and define what the industry looks like tomorrow. How does Shopify work? Shopify analyzes all of your experiences. With Shopify, merchants can build and customize an online store and sell in multiple places, including web, mobile, in-person, brick-and-mortar locations, and pop-up shops, and across multiple channels from social media to online marketplace. Shopify is completely cloud-based and hosted, which means you can access it from any connected, compatible device, and we will handle software and server upgrades and maintenance for you. This gives you the flexibility to access and run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. On any given day, a commerce business requires an array of tools to manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping, and they spend a lot of time administrating the disparate system and data together. Shopify groups those technologies together and ensures that you can easily access and integrate any other business tools you need to make Shopify work for your business. Think of Shopify's products as layer. Layer 1 is Shopify's core product. This is what you get as soon as you buy any Shopify plan. It includes everything you need to turn your idea into a business and start selling templates for the look and feel of your store. Tools to sell in multiple places online and in-person, integrated payment processing, the best converting checkout on the internet, SEO and marketing tools. These are all part of Shopify's core product. This is the foundation upon which our other products and applications are built. products and services. Every independent business is unique, and as business grows, their needs evolve accordingly. That's why we offer our customers powerful upgrades to help them grow their business on our platform. From easy access to capital to accelerated payment options, these products and services are exclusive to Shopify customers and are designed to help independent business owners have a leg up in the market. Layer 3 apps built by trusted partners. Shopify's App Store has thousands of apps and features built by third-party developers to customize your store without ever once touching the code. Anything you can dream up, there's an app that can help make it a reality. You will find the most cutting-edge tools to grow your business in the App Store, whether it's the latest SMS app to the hostess, new social media networks, and tools. Why Shopify? Shopify supports the entire e-commerce community online, offline, and everywhere in between. We are home to the largest, most diverse set of entrepreneurs, merchants, developers, and partners. Shopify is a global. We empower entrepreneurs around the world to create, connect, and innovate their businesses. With merchants spanning more than 175 countries, we provide entrepreneurs everywhere the platform building blocks and tools needed to win in commerce. Shopify informed creative expression. We believe there should be more in unique voices, stories, and experiences, not fewer. And that's why we design our products with the greatest amount of extensibility, flexibility, and expression.